Hello, Grade 2. In our word study, we have been talking about syllables. A syllable is a part of a word pronounced as a unit. It is usually made up of a vowel alone or a vowel with one or more consonants. The word syllable has 3 syllables, and when we're counting syllables, we often clap them like this: syllable. Could you hear the 3 sounds in syllable? A good way to practice listening to words with syllables is by doing poetry. So today we're going to look at a form of poetry called haiku. It is a traditional form of Japanese poetry. Haiku poems consist of 3 lines, and in each line they have a special number of syllables. So the first line has 5 syllables. The second line has 7 syllables, and the last line has 5 syllables again. And because haikus are such short poems, they are usually written about simple things known to the reader, like seasons or animals. Let's look at this haiku. It goes like this: green and speckled legs hop on logs and lily pads, splash in cool water. How many syllables are in each line? Let's count them. Green and speckled legs. If I draw a line between them, we have green and speckled legs. So can you see that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 syllables. That is the correct amount of syllables for the first line. Now our next line needs 7. Let's count them. Hop on logs and lily pads. So hop is 1 syllable because it has 1 vowel. On, 1 syllable. Logs. And now lily has 2 vowels in there. Do you see the I and the Y? So we have to split it to 2 because it has 2 sounds. Lily pads. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has 7 syllables. That is the correct amount of syllables for the second line. Now our last line needs to have 5 syllables again. Splash in cool water. So splash is 1 syllable, in is 1 syllable, cool is 1 syllable. Now water, you can see the 2 vowels, wa and then ter. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 syllables. So it is the correct number of syllables for each line in a haiku. 5 for the first line, 7 for the middle line, and 5 for the last line. What animal do you think this haiku is describing? Green and speckled legs, hop on logs and lily pads, splash in cool water. Were you thinking what I was? That it's a frog? That's right, frog. And frog has 1 syllable. So the first and last lines of a haiku have 5 syllables, and the middle line has 7 syllables. Here is a haiku to help you remember. I am first with 5, then 7 in the middle, 5 again to end. And if you were to clap those lines out, you would find there's 5 syllables, 7 syllables, and then 5 syllables to end. Let's look at this example, another example of a haiku. It goes like this: snowflakes are our friends. They descend when winter comes, making white blankets. So the first line would be snowflakes are our friends. So snowflakes, we have 2 syllables, and then our friends. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our middle line, remember, has to have 7. Let's see if it follows the rule. They descend when winter comes. So they descend when winter comes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, it follows the rule. And our last line needs 5. Making white blankets. So making has 2, white is 1, and blankets is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's correct. It follows the rules of a haiku. Grade 2, now we know what haiku poems are. We're going to practice creating some of our own.